Hello everyone, this is Brainy Ghost, and today I'm gonna show you how to use green screen videos in Blender. So we have two videos here. The first video is the background video and the second video is the green screen video. Now let's open Blender. Click this button and go to the compositing. Close the 3D view by joining the left panel to the right panel. Now click Use Nodes. Remove the render layers by pressing X. We don't need the render layers here. Let's add a viewer node. Then add movie clip input. Then open the green screen video. Connect the movie clip input to the viewer. Click this button and select the viewer node. And then go to our video clip timeline and click some frames. We can now view our movie clip to the viewer. Now let's add the important node that we need to remove the green area of this green screen video. Let's add the keying node and connect the node to the movie clip node. Now change the key color to green. Pick a particular shade of green that removes most of the green area of your green screen video. There are a lot of settings that you can tweak in the keying method. In this tutorial, I just covered the very basic. Once you're done with the result of your green screen video, let's add the color spill node. Color spill helps us remove the remaining green area that still persists in our green screen video. Since I'm satisfied with the result of my green screen removal, I'll stick with the color spill default settings. Actually, let me play with the settings a bit. I think I'm good with the default settings. Now, let's add another movie clip input. This input is going to be the background video. Open any background video that you want. We need to combine the two videos. To do that, we need to add the mix node. Then, we connect the two videos in the mix node. In our green screen video, we will connect the color spill node to the mix node because we want to get the effect of the keying node and the color spill. For our background video, just connect it directly. I think in the mix node, the background video should be in the first socket and the green screen video should be in the second socket. Don't forget to click this button to add alpha channel to the mix. Let's check if the green screen video blends nicely to the background video. I think it blends nicely. Next, I need to check the total length of the green screen video. The overall length of our project here depends on the total length of our green screen video. I think my green screen video is 30 fps, so 1 minute 12 seconds or 72 seconds times 30. The total frame of my green screen video is 2160. So I'll put 2160 here. Actually, let me check frame by frame. The preview goes black in frame 2166. It means that the end frame should be 2165. My computation missed 5 frames. I think the frame rate of my green screen video has a decimal point. The excess frame rate is very low, so it doesn't matter in this project. Now we are ready to render our project. Don't forget to connect the mix node to the composite, otherwise our project won't be rendered. Save your project first before clicking the animation.